Hi, and welcome to Yee Fit Fuel. My name's Darren.
And my name's Jordan. My name is Jojo. And today we're going to be making Misubi. So let's put on our aprons and let's get ready.
So today we're going to make Spam Misubi. We're going to channel our inner Hawaiian. So stay tuned. For this recipe, we're going to start with 3 cups of short grain rice. You want to wash the rice 3 or 4 times.
We need a sesame sauce.
This is sesame seed oil, and we're going to add half a teaspoon. There we go.
And then we'll put on the
lid on. While the rice is cooking, we're going to cut the seaweed. Cut maybe 3 or 4 into strips. There's already little lines you can see here. There's a shiny side and then a rough side on front. So we'll cut these into strips. You want the strips to maybe be around 2 inches. Now seaweed is going to be used to wrap the Misubi and hold the rice and the Spam together. The Spam we are using today is made by Hormel, and it's the 25% less sodium. Spam was used after World War II as a meat substitute, and it's just meat in the can. Get this out, slide right out. It comes out to be a nice little loaf. So to cut this, I like to cut it in half first, and then you can cut slices off of it. This is the Spam all sliced up. We are going to fry up our Spam here on a medium heat. As those are cooking, we're going to add a little sesame teriyaki sauce. You can also marinate your Spam in a little soy sauce or sugar. So I'm just going to brush a little bit of the teriyaki sauce on top to give it some flavor, and it'll help caramelize the sugar and salt together. It'll give a really good crust on the Spam once it's fried up. So we'll brush both sides once we flip it over. We got the rice, we got our seaweed, we're going to be sprinkling some furikaki, we got our mold, and our Spam ready to assemble. Alright, next we're going to make our water mixture. We're going to use about a cup of water, and then 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. This will be able to wet our fingers so the rice doesn't stick to it, as well as the surface so when we press our rice into our mold. What we got here is a Misubi mold. There are multiple sizes. You can pick these up for $5 or $10. This is a double one. You want the shiny side down. Down. Yeah, this is the shiny side. Put it down like that. Oh, there we go. And we're going to put our mold. And I think we're going to try it the other way. So we're going to put our Misubi down first. That, Furikaki. And some rice.
And then you smush it after you're done patting it.
Okay, Jordan's gonna smash it down. Smush it down. There you go, smush it down. Another trick is, if you leave this on here, then you pull this up. There we go.
Cool.
Slowly Okay, I'm gonna try to wrap it. So you wrap one side, then just put some water, then you wrap the other side. Put one side up, and a little bit of water. It's like the glue to seal it. Do that side. Wrap it tight. Okay,
now
Jordan,
let's eat it.
wrap it. There you go.
I want to eat it now.
And then we just cut it here. We have our Misubi.
And then let's try
There
it.
we go. So it looks like my kids have a little Hawaiian in them, but we just want to thank you for watching Yee Fit Fuel today in our venture into making Spam Misubi. If you like more videos like this, please consider subscribing and hit that like button. Until next time, aloha and mahalo. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
What does mahalo mean?
Mahalo means thank you. Wait, that's a video.